Next, you're gonna fill a pinch on 3. 1, 2, 3. Just relax and then fill another pinch. 1, 2, 3. Was it as bad as you thought it was gonna be?
No.
It never is.
Is that it?
My dad said it was gonna be worse.
No, if I was out to hurt people, people wouldn't come back to me. There you go, feel tug. Let me see.
What do you think? Something to put the needle in? I got
A bio container.
I ain't got no bottle in there. I got an old milk jug.
That's fine.
What my dad uses to put his tattoo needles in. Is that it?
All I was gonna do is wash it up and clean it up.
Make it